So yeah, so I have completed, right? PY valid email address I used. We'll test it how it's working. Okay, so I have created all in work class. Let me close everything. Let me go to the section row now and click. Yeah, I got the customer ID, right? So we'll do a on change event and we'll post it to clipboard, right? So yeah, similarly we'll do for other properties as well. Dot customer name, we'll just post it to clipboard. Then what else? Py email ID, right? So got this and do a okay. So this we collected and we'll give a button, right? When they click on create, we'll just give an option to do the creation. So what we'll keep, create a customer, we'll keep that value, let us keep it as strong and what else we what we'll do on click, we'll call a data transform to create it. So in this scenario what I'll do, I'll use this map customer values data transform only. Okay, so I'll reuse this. Okay, I'll use a parameter called from, right? It's not required, it's optional one, called from. Okay, so let me just close this. I'll keep when param dot, what is the name, param dot called from is equal to create customer, right? We'll give this value there, just comment this. We'll keep it as otherwise when, because it can be A or B, right? The record should be existed or record is not there, so it will be A or B, right? So we'll keep it as otherwise when. We don't want, if when is good, we don't want to go otherwise conditions. Okay, we'll keep like this. We'll go here and we'll call again. We'll call again, then our parameter will come. We'll just keep this value. So it's optional parameter, right? So it's optional parameter, it will not affect any other previous. So we used this in fetch details also, right? So hence it is an optional parameter, it will not do any things. Okay, so yeah, now here what we need to do, so I have in pivot workpage. Okay, I need to create a record from the three details. Okay, first of all what I'll do a set value. Okay, I'll parameterize everything. param dot cust id is equal to dot cust id. Then it's a good thing to parameterize everything. It's based on if you are having more parameter, if you will use the property in many places, we can parameterize it and we can use it. Okay, so sorry, I think param dot customer name, right? And then what we'll do now, dot param dot customer email, right? To param dot customer email. Okay, good. One more thing, as I already said, I want to hard code the city Bangalore, right? I will not do here. You can do here. So hard coding is not a good way for doing hands-on. I am doing this for one property. Okay, we can do here, or we can do in the data page as well. So we'll go with the data page approach. Okay, so that we'll learn something new. Okay, these three these three they are in clipboard. I just copy to this parameter value. Now what I'll do, so before coming here, I'll just delete this. I need to do something in data page, right? So cust id, right? I'll keep this as customer id, better to avoid confusion. Where is the data page? The underscore customer. I'll use the existing data page. How to use in two-in-one format, let's see. Okay, so in parameters I'll add, this is required, okay, but other two are optional, right? I'll create all parameters for all the things, right? So what all the things? Customer name, customer email, and customer id, it's already there. Customer city, we just add this parameter as well. So customer city, customer email, customer name. So all are optional parameters. Okay, so I don't want to be required field. Now coming to data page, I'll just run this. So you can see this is required, so that's why it's showing some error. Let me just run this. So hence it is a lookup of the page, right? It's all having value. Let me trace this for values which is not exist in the database. Okay, I'll just run this. Data page throwing error. Okay, let me see the data page have error. What is the message? No records found for the lookup. Okay, so what we will do, we need to handle this error and we need to create the new record. How we are going to do? That is where we are going to use the responsivity. Okay, so what we'll do, create new customer. I'll create a data transform, right? I'll check this box and I'll pass the parent parameter page and run on the data page itself. Okay, I'll create this, create new customer. I'll create in the context of data page class. Okay, I don't want this all the things. I'll delete this and I'll uncheck this superclass data transform. I'll make it comment and I'll just save it, and I'll save